Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into how to transfer files to iPad in 2025. With Apple's continuous updates, transferring files has never been easier or more versatile. Whether you're switching from a computer, another Apple device, or even cloud storage, I'll walk you through the simplest methods step by step. Let's jump right in. First up, the classic method, using a USB cable. Grab a Lightning or USB-C cable, depending on your iPad model. Remember, 2025 models might all be USB-C by now. Connect your iPad to your computer, unlock it, and trust the connection if prompted. Open Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows, then drag and drop your files into the iPad's storage. It's straightforward and super reliable for large files like videos or high-res photos. If you prefer going wireless, AirDrop is your best friend, especially for transfers between Apple devices. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is enabled. On your sending device, select the files, tap the Share button, choose AirDrop, and pick your iPad. It happens in seconds. For cross-platform needs, iCloud is a game changer. Upload files to iCloud Drive from any device, then access them directly on your iPad via the Files app. Don't forget about third-party apps like Google Drive or Dropbox. They integrate seamlessly and let you download files on the go. One more option. Email the files to yourself if they're small. Just attach them in your email app and open them on your iPad. Pro tip. Always check your iPad's storage before transferring to avoid surprises. In 2025, with faster Wi-Fi 7 and improved security, these methods are quicker and safer than ever. There you have it. Multiple ways to get your files onto your iPad hassle-free. Which method will you try first? Drop a comment below, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that like button if this helped. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.